Did you notice something crazy about the Mommy Long Legs chase sequence? Well, it has some secrets that you might not have expected. What if I were to say that that chase was entirely planned by Mommy from the beginning? Well, when we first meet Mommy, she has a friendly and childish facade. She forces us into 3 mini-games, each of them designed to test a human's capabilities, but this isn't relevant to Mommy, is it? She was just trying to kill us in those games rather than assess us, right? Well, she was trying to kill us, but she was also assessing us. How? You might not have noticed, but her chase sequence have elements from each of the mini-games we have played. Yeah. Firstly, we played musical memory where Mommy assigned Bunzo to hopefully kill us, but of course, that failed. But before her first chase scene, we are forced to open a gate which requires us to pull different colored levers in a specific order for the gate to open. Those color codes were above us and numbered by boxes. This requires decent memory, but just like how we pass musical memory, we also successfully open the gate. The next minigame we plays was Wacka Wuggy. This was a test to assess our reflexes. How was this present? Well, in the tunnel chase, we see multiple of Mommy's hands trying to grab us from different holes of the tunnel, which we have to react to or avoid, just like Wacka Wuggy. We did pass Wacka Wuggy, so we also successfully avoid Mommy's hands too. Finally, we have statues, an obstacle course aimed to test human endurance, mobility, assessment, and resilience. We first has to go through a simple maze and also a maze through tunnels, just like the maze and tunnels in the tunnel chase scene. From statues, we also had to swing around with our grab pack, just like how we had to use our grab pack to swing around and go up several times during the whole chase sequence. Also, just like how the obstacle course was blocked by a debris and boulder, Mommy also blocks pathways with her webs and also punches down a boulder to block another pathway, showing several aspects from the statue's minigame in her chase scene. Another crazy fact is that unlike other antagonists who are persistent in their chases, Mommy Long Legs took short breaks in between her chases, just like how we had to do other stuff and solve puzzles in between each minigame. This could also be another reason why Mommy got progressively more frustrated at our victories in these minigames, because she would realize that her chase plan would end in failure too. So by this theory, it is possible that Mommy was indeed planning everything ahead of time to make sure we died, even if we survived each minigame, by making sure she knows what we are capable of and plan accordingly. But unfortunately, Mommy would fail to meet that result due to her recklessness. But whatever she did, she was definitely not expecting that grinder to be the end of her.